Top Gear might never return to screens as sources suggest the team behind the BBC show is being dismantled, according to reports by Mail Online. The publication said it has been told by multiple BBC sources there are no longer any plans for a future series. It comes as former cricketer Freddie Flintoff has been recuperating following a serious crash in December last year. The 45-year-old was filming for Top Gear and driving an open-top Morgan Super 3 which flipped over following a collision. He was rushed to hospital with facial injuries and broken ribs, and continues to recover from the horror accident. Ex-Top Gear host slams show for hiring cricketer Freddie Flintoff to present Don't Miss. Cricket stepped in to save Freddie Flintoff as recovery plan emerges. Latest, Jeremy Clarkson makes worrying prediction for upcoming farm season and winter. Video, former Top Gear star blasts BBC following Freddie Flintoff's horror crash. Latest, in March, the BBC confirmed filming for Top Gear had halted in light of the serious accident, which took place at the show's test track in Surrey. Freddie was seen publicly for the first time since the accident earlier this year, with pictures showing him sporting sunglasses and covering his face. According to the Mail, the overwhelming likelihood is that the motor series will not be returning to screens. The publication also added there are no plans to broadcast Series 34, which was partially filmed. While Freddie himself has also been off screens for a while, it seems he'll be making a comeback almost 1 year after his crash. The 45-year-old will be back on the BBC for a different series. He will be making his TV return for the second series of his cricket show, Field of Dreams. According to sources, the former cricketer is now ready to get back to his TV duties with filming for his show expected to start over the next few months. Speaking to the Mirror, they said, "Everyone is thrilled and relieved Freddie is gearing up to get back to work. We know how much this series meant to him. It was a passion project that was also loved by the viewers." Express.co.uk has reached out to the BBC for comment. Former series of Top Gear are available to watch on BBC iPlayer.